Hi Mustangs, my name is Donna Barrington. I'm the principal at Greens Prairie Elementary. Greens Prairie staff, we're looking forward to having our students and our parents back on campus. We know it's going to be a great year. A little bit about myself. This is my 11th year, actually my 12th year, my first year at Greens Prairie. I was able to work with the engineers, the construction workers, and the architects to help uh, build Greens Prairie Elementary. And then our first year, we started with our faculty and staff, and I was able to hire each staff member. And so this year will be our 11th year at Greens Prairie. And so we are looking forward to that. So this is actually my 12th year as principal at Greens Prairie Elementary. I have two daughters. They're both Aggies. Kara, my oldest, works in Houston, and my youngest daughter, Michaela, just graduated from A&M, and she's looking for a job, and she works at HEB as well. My husband, Keith, he works for the district as the network administrator, working behind the scenes and making sure all of our network and our securities are working just right. I am an Aggie as well. I received my master's degree from Texas A&M. My undergraduate was from the College of Charleston, which I received when my husband was in the Navy in Charleston, South Carolina. I am also an Aggie mom, and I've been part of the Aggie Mom group and served as president of the Aggie Moms and just enjoy that organization. I also serve as an HEB Scholar Mentor as part of Raise Your Hand Texas, where I work with two students that received HEB scholarships that are wanting to be teachers. And this year, they're starting their very first year of teaching. So I'm very proud of them. And that is a big honor to be a part of that organization and mentoring future teachers. I love being principal at Greens Prairie. It is a privilege and honor to serve as the leader of this school, working with our staff, our students, and our parents. It is a great community. I would like to introduce you to our office staff. We do have a great office team. If you ever need anything, please call the office, email us, and we will be glad to help you. This is our school mission. This was our vision that was developed by our parents and our staff the very first year Greens Prairie opened. And I will tell you that this is a vision that our staff commit to working together to accomplish. So we want all of our students to feel part of our school community where they're safe, they're having opportunities to be their very best as they're learning to collaborate, learning to be inquisitive, all of these things that are important to our school community. We are working hard to make this happen. A few just newsworthy notes to share with you. Of course, attendance is very important, but I will tell you that if your child is sick, not feeling good, especially exhibiting COVID symptoms, we want you to want them to stay at home and get healthy before they return to school. You will be able to work with your teacher, our attendance clerk, and our office staff to help in attendance matters. But again, we want our students here only if they're healthy and ready to go to learn. Our school hours are 7:50 to 3:05. Our morning assembly will start at 7:45. Monday and Friday, we will be in the gym. And Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we will be Zooming our morning assemblies. Tardies are at 7:55. We do want visitors to be in our building. Welcome back, visitors. Yay for this year. But we do ask our visitors to bring your driver's license so that you can check in the office, wear your visitor's tag. When you do check in, our system does a background check, and then we will give you a visitor's tag that you need to wear while you're on campus. I will encourage you as you're here, please do not park in the fire lane because the officers do give tickets during when you're parked there. So we have ample parking, so please park in the parking lots, or if we're really busy, you can park at Pecan Trail or the field in between. Here's a little bit about our traffic. Our students dismiss kindergarten and first at 3 o'clock, 3:05, second through fourth graders, and then our car riders and walkers. Car riders are in the back of the building. Walkers are dismissed by the cafeteria. We do ask that our parents put your child in the passenger side and car seats if appropriate. That helps us dismiss and arrive early so that they can get out of the car easily and safely, and no one has to walk around the car. I will remind you that there are no cell phones during school zones, so watch that, please. If you have transportation changes, please call the office before 2:30. Once 2:30 hits, we will deliver those messages, and so we cannot guarantee that your child will get that message if you call after 2:30. Also, I will encourage you to call. Please do not email your teacher the day of because they're busy teaching and they may miss your email. So always call if you have a transportation for that day. We do have a crossing guard that is provided by the City of College Station. We are indeed ready for a legendary year, hopefully a normal year where our students will be able to have musicals, field trips, enrichment opportunities, and our parents can be on board with us on campus. We're looking forward to a great year. And thank you again for all of your partnership, your support in making and helping us create a learning environment that is enriching and rigorous and rewarding and where our students thrive. And so thank you, parents and our community, for helping us create that special place that we call Greens Prairie. Thank you.